Are you ready to see the sneakiest, most affordable hero in your makeup bag, Vaseline, in a whole new light? That tiny jar holds more secrets than you can imagine. In this video, I'm sharing 30 shocking Vaseline hacks that will make your life easier and completely transform your beauty routine. Some of these are so unexpected you'll be asking yourself, why didn't I think of this before? Let's dive in. Have you ever tried applying Vaseline to your hair? That glossy, healthy, dream-like hair? You can get it with just one product before bed. Apply Vaseline to your hair and braid it while you sleep. Your hair absorbs the Vaseline, deeply hydrating each strand. Next morning, wash it out and the result will blow your mind. Tired of stubborn blackheads? Want squeaky clean nose pores instantly? Apply Vaseline to your nose and cover it with cling wrap. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then gently wipe it off with a cotton swab. Finish with a cleanser. Hello, squeaky clean nose. Want longer-looking lashes? Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your lashes. Let it sit for a minute, then apply your mascara as usual. Fuller, more defined lashes instantly. That's the quick day fix. But for real, natural length over time? You need the ultimate Vaseline secret, the Overnight Lash Growth Serum. Get a clean container and mix equal parts Vaseline and castor oil, the growth superstar. Then add vitamin E oil for extra nourishment. Mix it up, apply with a clean spoolie every night, and watch your lashes transform. Tired of finger hair? Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your fingers. Use a clean razor to gently shave in the direction of hair growth. Rinse off and moisturize. Smooth fingers in seconds. Want super soft lips? Slather on a thick layer of Vaseline and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently rub your lips with dental floss to remove dead skin and wipe it off. That's it. Dark elbows? Mix Vaseline with brown sugar to create a scrub. Rinse off and pat dry. Softer, brighter elbows instantly. To help a damaged skin barrier, apply Vaseline last in your routine. It creates a protective shield that locks in moisture and soothes irritation. DIY eyebrow gel. Mix Vaseline with a matching eyeshadow for color. Add a spritz of hairspray for hold. Brush it through your brows. Forget expensive primers. For a flawless, dewy base, use a tiny bit of Vaseline. Press it onto your skin before foundation. Instant smooth texture. Want your perfume to last all day? Melt Vaseline in hot water, then mix in your favorite perfume. Let it cool in the fridge until solid. Apply a small amount to your wrists. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline just inside your nostrils to trap allergens and prevent dryness. DIY lip balm. Easy. Mix Vaseline with your favorite lipstick. Use a hairdryer to melt and blend them together. Your custom lip balm is ready to use. Stop neglecting those dry heels. The secret to baby soft feet is this powerful 3-ingredient mask: Vaseline, lemon, and coconut oil. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Gently dab a tiny amount of Vaseline under your eyes for a moisturized, dewy look. We know Vaseline is great for cuticles, but here's the pro secret. Apply it around your nails before painting. Spilled polish instantly peels right off the Vaseline. DIY anti-aging cream? Let's make it. Mix Vaseline with a splash of milk. Squeeze in the juice of a mandarin slice. Stir well and apply to your skin. Hydrated, glowing skin in no time. Vaseline onto your eye makeup. Then wipe away with a cotton pad for quick removal. Refill your finished lipstick tube by placing it directly into the Vaseline jar, chill to solidify, and use it to moisturize your lips. For the ultimate sleek ponytail or bun, take a tiny amount of Vaseline, rub it between your fingers, and lightly smooth down those annoying flyaways and frizz along your hairline. Instant, polished perfection. Want to banish dark circles? Apply a tiny bit of Vaseline first. Then, use a red lip blush to color correct, and blend your concealer on top. Brighter under eyes, zero creasing. For the ultimate smooth lips, mix a pinch of sugar with Vaseline to create a quick lip scrub. Gently rub your lips, wipe it off, and follow up with your favorite lip gloss for an instantly plump and polished pout. To easily insert earrings, rub a tiny bit of Vaseline onto both your earlobe and the earring post for a quick pain-free slide. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your eyelids before eyeshadow to intensify the color and help it adhere for a long-lasting look. For intense moisture and skin brightening, mix Vaseline, aloe vera, and lemon juice and apply to dry, darkened areas to repair and smooth the skin. If you have a minor wound or scrape, clean it and apply Vaseline to keep the area moist and prevent it from scabbing and scarring. Got split ends? After towel drying your hair, take a tiny amount of Vaseline and rub it between your fingers. Gently apply it to your damp hair ends. Dry your hair. Instantly hides frizz and makes split ends look polished. If new shoes rub your ankle, apply Vaseline to the back of your heel before wearing. It stops friction and prevents blisters. To soften and hide the crease marks on your leather shoes, rub Vaseline directly into the folds, then buff with a cloth. Who knew a little jar of Vaseline could do so much, right? I hope you found these hacks as fun and useful as I did. If you try any of them, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how they worked for you.